What's up, you party boy?
You can't tell me about my mother because you love man. Relax your love body. Body show up on your lip. Go on, your belly big.
Yeah, man, the SR boss I represent for Jamaican Baddest Channel. I mean, alone in all the dark crew.
Right like top slab theme. Fucking fool, I come with them nursery rhyme. I know the nursery crime. Pussy. My war on a blood clot karaoke, no jokey. Got grandspend, got spooky. No way, not too far, fi go feed them, me pull up anyway. Drive up.
Wow, go on, my people. Bless up and welcome back to Jamaican Chat, everyone. You don't know, this is a late night vlog, a very hot one. May I beg everybody, click in the like button, click in the share button, and the subscribe button. You don't see what I go on, the war hot, my people. Bounty Killa and Vegas, Vegas, them at it. War is on. So you people, a guy online came forth and him basically exposed Vegas or Vegas based on what I see on the screen here, people. So now check it out. And also we vibe into the new track Bounty Killa Lego and a robot Vegas. Sorry, Vegas, my people. Anyway, check out the video with the object and Vegas online and make me know what you think, and then we're gonna come back, my people.
We're not calm down. If you're in your world, right?
We're not the same world.
No.
You're man, same world with
you are look company.
You are not no company.
You are
love pump, we just do different things.
I look company, go suck your mama.
What kind of something? Vegas, relax yourself.
Suck your mama,
you know about Peterkin. We know about the tape, you're on the tape. We know you're on the tape. You can't tell me about my mother because you love man. Relax your love body. Body show up on your lip. Go on, your belly big like.
Yeah, my people, there you have it, you know. That are the snippet I have with the brother exposed Vegas. So I want to tell more anything about that, because the brother you look like same a Vegas card. You understand? And you can done here Killa a go hard. Killa deal with him. You understand? When you get some time when you go over Killa Vivo, or you can go over him IG, or you can check out the full track when him drop on it. I want to make me know if I some flames on that track here or warmer people. You understand? I remember know one thing about the whole Vegas situation as well, cause that one look like say a big information the brother have the man talk about Peterkin mansion and tape and one bag of thing, my people. You understand? So that one look like say it official, them are expose Vegas. You understand? But me know one thing, my people. As I say, we're not gonna necessarily jump to no conclusion. But the next video I have found my people don't see what go on, and this just happened a while ago, my people. So the news hot. Ramesh just buy a brand new BMW, my people. Just a while ago, ATL Jamaica, BMW launch, $26 million, my people. Alright, so me have a snippet for you. Go and check it out. Big up on yourself. And yes, we're gonna jump off in because it's a late night vlog, my people. Big up on yourself. Jamaican Chat. I'm out.
Car start. Car remember, I know we have mild technology. So when the car starts, the engine does not come on at the same time. Alright? So there's a small delay when the engine starts. Bossy, you can say, okay, BMW, ambient light blue. Okay, BMW, no I work tonight. Alright, my boss. No, we are here tonight. Risha, ready in the meanwhile, please. Straight. push them feet.
Party,